Only smart people can answer these 15 tricky questions, from brain teasers to science facts. Each one will test your focus and IQ. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. What goes up but never comes down? A. Balloon. B. Age. C. Smoke. Answer. B. Age. Reason. Time moves forward, your age only increases. Question 2. What has many keys but can't open a single door? A. Keyboard. B. Piano. C. Map. Answer. B. Piano. Reason. It has keys, but only for music, not for doors. Question 3. What gets sharper the more you use it? A. Knife. B. Brain. C. Pencil. Answer. B. Brain. Reason. The more you think and learn, the sharper your mind becomes. Question 4. Which word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary? A. Wrong. B. Incorrectly. C. Mistake. Answer. B. Incorrectly. Reason. The word incorrectly is literally spelled incorrectly. Question 5. What gets wetter the more it dries? A. Sponge. B. Towel. C. Ice. Answer. B. Towel. Reason. It dries you, but itself gets wet. Question 6. What can travel around the world while staying in one place? A. Cloud. B. Stamp. C. Airplane. Answer. B. Stamp. Reason. A stamp sticks on a letter and travels everywhere. Question 7. If a plane crashes on the border of Pakistan and India, where are the survivors buried? A. Pakistan. B. India. C. Nowhere. Answer. C. Nowhere. Reason. You don't bury survivors. Question 8. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they? A. Footsteps. B. Memories. C. Time. Answer. A. Footsteps. Reason. Every step you take leaves marks behind. Question. What belongs to you but others use it more? A. Time. B. Your name. C. Your money. Answer. B. Your name. Reason. People use your name more often than you do. Now the last and the most tricky question. Question 10. In which month are there 28 days? A. February. B. Only leap year. C. All months. Answer. C. All months. Reason. Every month has at least 28 days, not just February. How many did you get right? If you scored 12 or more, you're officially a genius. Comment your score below and prove your smartness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Quiz Zone 16 for more epic IQ and science challenges.